At the University of Miami, our Bachelor of Science in Microbiology and Immunology isn't just another science degree. It's your gateway to becoming a scientific detective, a health hero, or a biotech innovator. My name is Roger Williams. Dr. Kurt Schesser and I lead this undergraduate program at the College of Arts and Sciences. Have you ever wondered how a tiny virus can change the world? Or how your own body fights off invaders every single day? What if you could unlock the secrets of life, too small to see, and use that knowledge to save lives, cure diseases, or even protect our planet? From day one, you'll be hands-on in my lab, learning to cultivate, isolate, and identify microorganisms. You'll explore the intricate workings of your immune system, from its built-in defenses to how it adapts over time. You'll investigate microorganisms as living systems, delving into their genetics, biochemistry, physiology, and how they replicate and spread. This isn't just theory, it's active, practical science. You'll learn from an extraordinary faculty, including experts from both our College of Arts and Sciences and the renowned University of Miami Miller School of Medicine. These aren't just professors, they are leading immunologists, bacteriologists, virologists, and parasitologists, all actively engaged in groundbreaking, cutting-edge research. Graduates of our program pursue careers in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, optometry, veterinary medicine, patent law, biotech, education, and public health. You'll become an expert in a high-demand field, giving you a significant advantage in your future path. These are truly exciting times in our field of study, with new discoveries constantly reshaping our understanding of life and health. If you're ready to explore the hidden world that shapes our lives, to contribute to groundbreaking science, and to build a future where you make a tangible difference, then the University of Miami is where your journey begins. Ready to take the next step? Visit our program website to explore virtual lab tours, connect with students and faculty, or sign up for an upcoming virtual info session. Your journey to becoming a scientific leader starts here. And remember, it's all about the you.